Yhsub and the Seagulls.
Where is that one flipping tank?
Yhsub?
What?
One of the cages is open.
Wait, which cage?
Who has a flipping Seagulls out of their cages again? Not right now! Get those dang things and put them back where they belong! Yes, sir! And hurry, I can't listen to that flipping sound any longer!
Who the heck even let those out?
Shimobi.
What? I didn't mean to, man! It was an accident, man! Should have put a flipping lock on the door, man! Dude, we both know we can't afford locks after what happened last time!
Yeah.
And I can't go to a thrift store to get any more!
That's dumb.
Last time I tried to shop at a Walmart, all they had was leaves! Leaves!
What kind of Walmart has leaves?
Don't flipping ask me, I had to go all the way to the end of the continent to find one! It was either that or a Walgreens that just sells toilet paper!
I told you to catch those motherfucking Seagulls! I'm trying!
Where? They're gonna escape at this point! And I mean from the airship! Wait. Peter, can you track the coordinates of those flipping things?
They are going to TNT Town.
Oh, for the love of... Wait. Guys, let him go.
What?
I have a great suspicion as to what's about to arise.
Meanwhile, at TNT Town.
I could have sworn this is where I left it.
Run!
What's the problem?
Run! He's right behind you!
Who's right behind me? No!
Eat it, brother!
Oh, that is so good.